Hey YouTube, it's Kevin. Welcome back to Epic Boomerang Creations. It's been about a year, and that's because I'm lazy. So, today, as a welcome back, I want to start simple with just a simple planet painting. All right, nothing too fancy. This is basically how I learned to start painting with spray paint. And although I'm not good yet, I do enjoy making these planets. So follow along with me and just chill. Also, in the coming weeks, I want to share some other techniques that I've grown very fond of. One, for example, is pendulum paintings. If you don't know what that is, then hit subscribe and you'll see one the next time I do it. And also, if you've never heard of acrylic pouring, that's actually where you take thin acrylic paint and actually pour it on the canvas. Spread it around with different implements, a blow dryer, stuff like that. Can make really cool paintings. So that and other things we'll be going over the next few weeks. But for now, join me out in my studio and let's paint a planet. I'll see you out there.